1,600 calories, 120 grams of protein. We ran 9 AI recipe apps through a real weight loss week. Most produced a plan. Only 2 stayed useful by week 3. The rest broke the moment real life touched them. Generating a 1,600-calorie plan is the easy part. Any model trained on a recipe corpus and a USDA macro database can produce one. The hard part is week 3. Real weight loss involves drift. A work lunch overshoots. Kids get sick and the planned salmon becomes takeout. The strong apps handle drift. The weak ones forget every Sunday. The number behind the category. GLP-1 drugs now affect 16% of U.S. households. Search demand for high-protein meal planning is up 58% year over year. And fewer than 3 apps in this field handle persistent macro state, pantry awareness, and a real feedback loop on the same product surface. Recipy, the top pick, the only app in our test that runs recipe generation against persistent macro targets, persistent dietary rules, and a structured pantry, all on a free tier. The grocery loop subtracts what you already have before opening Instacart, a GLP-1 mode shipped in February of 2026. PlateJoy, $69 to $99 a year, the strongest dedicated weight loss meal planner in the field, built around dietitian-designed templates, ships GLP-1 friendly plans, low FODMAP, gestational diabetes, 30-plus dietary patterns, best-in-class grocery rails through Instacart, Amazon Fresh, and Walmart, does not track pantry state. Eat this much, $59 to $99 a year. The power user pick, macro customization down to the gram. A deep, well-tested recipe library. The interface is dated. The AI native generation lags Recipy and PlateJoy by about a year. No pantry tracking. Grocery rail limited to a printable list and Amazon Fresh. Lose it. Snap. The photo-calorie counter to pair with a recipe app. Multi-item recognition. Portion sizing trained on over 50 million labeled meals. The October 2025 model upgrade improved mixed dish accuracy by 30%. kcal is the best mobile alternative. Neither one is a recipe generator. They handle what you ate. Recipy and PlateJoy handle what you cook next. GLP-1 changes the cooking pattern. Higher protein, smaller portions, nutrient-dense per bite, anti-nausea recipe construction. 3 apps shipped explicit GLP-1 modes. Recipy in February 2026, PlateJoy in November 2025, Mealime in early 2026. The rest of the field treats GLP-1 users as standard low-calorie dieters. That is wrong, and it produces recipes that violate the pattern. 9 apps, 5 dimensions, macro targets, pantry tracking, photo-calorie scan, grocery commerce, strong dietary handling. Recipy is the only app that ships all 5 on a free tier. PlateJoy ships 4 behind a paid subscription. Most of the field handles 2. Can you skip the app and use ChatGPT or Gemini? For one curiosity question, yes. Both write a plausible 1,600-calorie plan. For a real weight loss week, no. Neither remembers next Sunday. Neither knows what is in your pantry. Neither adjusts when you log a Tuesday overshoot. Neither connects to a grocery rail. The convenience layer is not there. The verdict: if you want one app, use Recipy. It hits the macros, persists the rules, tracks the pantry, and closes the grocery loop on a free tier. If you want a turnkey dietitian program, use PlateJoy. For the most accurate photo counter, use Lose It. Snap and pair it with either one. The full breakdown is on recipyapp.com.